guys, so welcome to another taping. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to go over the different isolation tweezers that I currently have. This one is a straight tweezer, and this is a curved tweezer, and it's curved as well, but it's curved differently from this one. So I just wanted to go over it. It seems to be such a heavy and great debate on the type of isolation tweezers that you should actually be using for different type of sets. Now, I was trained to use straight isolation tweezers, and this is what I know. I wasn't trained to use any other isolation tweezers but the straight. So of course I'm used to these, and these are like my go-to because this is all I know. Now, I have been watching other videos where a lot of lash artists actually use curved tweezers. I kind of noticed that, you know, when they're isolating, their isolation seems to be a little bit easier with the curved tweezers. Even with this one. This one is actually from Lash. She's on IG. She has great tweezers. I actually bought her volume tweezers, which are excellent, and they make it very easy to fan your lashes. And this one is from Eyelash Excellence. I'm sure you guys have heard of Frankie Widows. So yeah, this one is from her website, which I purchased before I purchased Lash Bay's isolation tweezers, and I was kind of getting used to it, but I always find myself going back to my straight tweezer, and I'm assuming it's because that's the one I was trained with, and that's the one I've been used to. I mean, I've been lashing for 2 years, and I've been using the straight tweezers for the past 2 years. So of course, me going to another tweezer is gonna be difficult. So I've been using this tweezer lately. I've used this one a few times. I mean, it was okay. It does isolate. I can say there are times where it isolates better when I do have clients that have like lashes all over the place, or if they have little fuzzy lashes, baby hairs around the adult lashes that I need to isolate. It does come in handy, but I can also isolate with the straight as well. Just not as good as the curve, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but it has come in handy. But the thing that I noticed is that with the curved tweezers, I guess because I'm not used to them, it does take me a little bit longer to do my sets, and it's kind of annoying. I know that if I continue to use them, I will get quicker. I mean, my time will, you know, go down, but right now I'm just like, I can't afford to be, you know, wasting any time because, you know, I'm not used to them, I guess. But they are really, you know, they are really handy. They do come in handy when I need to isolate certain type of lashes. So I will be keeping them. You know, I won't be discarding them or anything like that. I will be keeping them. But my go-to right now is the straight, because that's what I was taught with, and that's what I've been using for the past 2 years. Well, for the past, you know, almost 2 years. So this will always be my go-to because I'm used to it, and you know, I feel like I can isolate whatever with it. So I'm just gonna do a little demonstration. So first of all, every lash tech should have a mannequin head, okay? Everybody should have a mannequin head. If you don't have a mannequin head, go and purchase one. If you've already done a training, you should already have one, but I mean, if you don't, you need to go ahead and purchase one, because the industry has changed so much, and if for any reason you can't go out and get training, you can, you know, practice on your own. And even after you get training, you still want to practice on your own. I practice all the time. So this is a necessity, okay? So I'm just gonna use these tweezers just to show you guys how they isolate. Alright, so we're gonna use the curved tweezer. This one's by Lash Bay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Lash Bay. She's on IG at Lash Bay. You guys can follow her. She is an awesome tech, and she has a website where she sells different type of products. So check her out. I bought these from her, and I also bought my volume tweezers from her, which are these here, Lash Bay as well. And these are curved tweezers. They are awesome. I don't know if you guys can see the grip on that, but the grip is awesome. So it makes it very easy for me to pick up my volume fans and to apply them. Alright, so these are the curved tweezers. Now when you do have your client laying down, just remember, when you are isolating, you need to make sure that you're in the correct position, whether you have to move yourself or you have to move your client. So if you have to move your client's head, don't be afraid. Just let them know that you have to move their head in order to complete their application. Now this is this is from when I was practicing volume lashes a few months ago. I have not taken an official volume course. I am a self-taught volume lash tech. There are a few out there, but let me just tell you guys, volume is no joke, okay? Volume is no joke. So if you can, go ahead and take the training. Even after training, you're still going to need to hopefully you'll have access to follow up with your trainer, so that if you have any issues, you can always go back to your trainer and ask questions and things like that. But I am a self-taught volume technician, and let me tell you guys, that road was not easy at all. It's still not easy. Volume takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of technique, and every day I learn something new. With each client, I learn something new. Unless they're a repeated client. But every new client, I learn something new. So, alright, so let's go ahead and begin. Alright, so this is the curved tweezer by Lash Bay. So, right now with the mannequin, of course, the eye isolation will probably be easier. But, if you have any family or friends that will allow you to practice on them, go ahead and practice on them, because everybody's eye shape is different. So it's always better to practice on a live person. I don't have a live person right now. And most of my clients, it's not that I can't practice with them or I can't, shoot an isolation video with them. I just haven't had the time to do that yet. So I'm just showing you guys on this mannequin. But the curved tweezer is, it does isolate pretty well. And you can really go in and what I really like about it is that when I'm using it, I can just, if I have a client that has really, really good lashes or really, really nice lashes, I could just use it like this. Just go in and use it like this. Isolate that way. You can do that with the straight tweezers as well. But I really like to use the curved tweezers to do that. That's only if you have a client that has really, nice lashes, that don't have little fuzzies everywhere, straight nice lashes. So that's the curved tweezer. And just to let you guys know, I'm still kind of getting the hang of you know, positioning my hands with the curved tweezer, only because I'm not used to it. I'm not really used to it like that, but you know, there you go. Isolate. Isolate. Now, if you do, if you're not a certified lash tech yet and you're planning on going to a training, hopefully the trainer will train you with a curved tweezer, because I believe if you are trained prior with a curved tweezer, if you wanted to switch over to a straight tweezer, it wouldn't be an issue. But because I was trained with a straight tweezer, going to a curved tweezer, I think it's, you know, because of the huge difference, it would be an issue, and it's something that you would have to get used to. So you would have to, you know, continue to use that curved tweezer for a while, because I've been using this curved tweezer for about, what are we in, April? I've been using it since, I've been trying to use it since December. So it's been about 5 months. Like I said, I am getting the hang of it, but it's just like I'm so used to the straight tweezer. I just, like, if I have an issue with it off back, I just go right back to my straight tweezer. All right, so this is Lash Base Curved Tweezer. All right, and this is Eyelash Excellence by Frankie Widows. This one has more of an angle than the curve. So, like I said before, it all depends on the shape of your client's eye, how well you can isolate with the tweezer. Now, the key to isolation, ladies, is using both of your tweezers. Just because you have an isolation tweezer and a tweezer to pick up your lashes doesn't mean that you can't use them together. Okay? The key to great isolation is actually using both. So if you can use both, that is awesome, because that gives you a better, it gives you better control, more control. It gives you more control, and you'll be able to isolate better if you use both. So I always use both. So let's just say, for instance, if you know you have those little fuzzies around the lashes, you can use the one that you use to pick up your lashes. You can use that to kind of separate it, hold it down, and then go in and isolate with your isolation tweezer. You see? So it's a great way to isolate the more difficult lashes, to use both of your tweezers. So this one kind of isolates the same as the other curve one. You know, it gives you, it just, you know, I don't know. I really can't tell you what the major difference is. All I know is that if you were trained with a straight tweezer, it will be difficult for you to switch to a curved tweezer. It's taking me a while to get used to it, and sometimes, like I said, when I'm lashing my clients, I'm trying to use it on every client, but I get frustrated and just go right back to the straight tweezer, because sometimes it's taking me too long. It's just taking me too long, like way too long. So it's taking me way too long. You see how those are kind of close together? And I used this one to separate the other one from there, and then bam, you just isolate. All right, ladies, so that's the Eyelash Excellence tweezer. And then we have my favorite go-to. This one was purchased from Lash Stuff. sorry, lashstuff.com. And these are my straight tweezers. Like, I'm telling you, these are like heaven for me, because it's what I'm used to, I guess, you know. You see, I'm just isolating like it's nothing with this one, with the straight tweezers. I know you guys can tell the difference between me isolating with my straight tweezers and the curved tweezers, because I can tell myself. So anyways, ladies, if you guys have any questions, or you know, let's chat, because I know a lot of ladies had questions about isolating with, you know, curved tweezers or isolating with straight tweezers, and this is the reason why I did this video. So let's chat, you know, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you guys think about the straight tweezers and the curved tweezers. And then hopefully I can post a video with an actual client, or I'll see if one of my family members want to, you know, if one of my family members don't mind me, you know, doing a set for them. That way I can actually demonstrate on a real person how the isolation goes with these tweezers. All right, ladies, so thanks so much for watching. I will be announcing the winner to my giveaway. If you guys don't follow me on IG yet, go ahead and follow me at PYT_lashes on IG. And I do have a Facebook as well, which is at PYT Lashes. It's a business Facebook page. You guys can follow me there as well. And then let's go ahead and get into this giveaway. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll be back next week, Monday, with another video. Also, ladies, if you guys want to see anything in particular, please comment below and let me know. And I will try to get that video out for you guys next week or the week after. Love you guys. Bye. All right, ladies, thanks so much for participating in the giveaway. There were a few other ladies that I couldn't add because you guys did not follow all of the instructions. So next time, just remember to follow all of the instructions. So let's go ahead and see who's our first giveaway winner. All right, congratulations, Smiles 305. Go ahead and DM me for your special code to use so that you can schedule your free set whenever you're ready. I will chat with you guys soon. See you later. Bye.